Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to create geotagging of your business or store or your institution. If you have any government or non-government institutions, business or store, you can geotag the process I'm following today. Now, once you geotag your business or your store or your business location, it will appear in the Google search, so people around you can find in Google search or in Google Map search. Now let's see how to do the entire process. I'll show you how to geotag your business. So first of all, open a browser, and in this browser you type Google My Business. Search it. The business page will appear here, Google My Business. Then click on that page. It will ask you to sign in. So if you have already existing business, it will ask you go and manage now, but if you have not any business page, it will ask you to sign in. You sign in here. I have already logged in my browser, so already it is showing me as sign in. So I am directly, I will now add the Google My Business page. So first add your business to Google. Here first you write the name of your business. Now today I will give you an example of a government Ahar Kendra of government of Odisha. So you can follow the same procedure for other business also. So first I will write here the name of the business, that is Ahar Kendra. I am writing in the local language so people will understand it also. If some people are searching in Google with their local language, I am writing in Odia, so people near about your location can find this, can search in Odia and can find the location. They can read it in Google also if some people are difficulties having with English. The next, what is the category? The category I am putting here is meal. I am changing the language here. Delivery. You can choose any category based on your business. So I am putting here mail delivery. Next, do you want to add location customer can visit, like a store or office? Yes. So I want customers, people to visit the store, so yes. Next, what is the address? You have to fill the detailed address of the store. Now the address here I am putting is opposite to, I am adding one more line here also. So here I am putting Louis Road, Kalpana Square, BJP Nagar. Then city I am putting here as Bhubaneswar. Pin code 751014. You put it based on your address of your location. State Odisha. Next, if there is similar business or similar address, so it will show you whether you want to do it for that particular address. If it is yes, you need to do it, but if it is a completely new business, you can say don't show, this doesn't match. And next, now here you have to exactly locate in the map where exactly. So before you get inside this, you first identify where exactly in the map it is. So I'm putting it here because I know the place, so I am putting it here. You can choose your location exactly where it appears in the map, so people around this area can find it. Next, do you also serve outside customers outside your location, outside this location? No, I don't. If you do, say yes. Next, you have to give a contact number and a website. Currently I don't have, so I am saying I don't need a website. Next, now it's finished, so I'll click on finish. So next step is it will verify. Once it's verified, you say get started. Now give the dates when it is open, when it is closed. So I am giving it is open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You can also define the time when it is open, so I am defining here 11 to 9. This is 9 p.m. You can choose the timing of your business, store or your location. So save it. Next, if you want to accept message in Google My Business, you can activate it. If you don't want to accept message, you can deactivate it. So I am deactivating this one right now. Next is save. Now there are some questions you have to answer here, like dine in, yes. Pick up, I have the option no here. Then you select, you read it and define and select which one is you select the correct answer here. For me it's all no. Save. Next is you add your business description here. So I have already, so I just paste it. You can define your business description, then save. Before you do it, you click some good photographs of your business and keep it with you. Then you can add these photos. I have already kept some photographs, so I'll add those photos here. Also you can do it later on once it is completed, but I am doing it right now. So some photos I have. Next, again you can add some photos or you can select skip. Skip, then continue. Alright, now it's done. Then you will receive a, once it is completed, you will receive a postcard from Google. So that postcard you will have to there will be a code inside the postcard. So once you receive the postcard, that code you apply here. So from the postcard, then you verify using that code, and with this your business will appear in Google. Thank you.